American Porsche enthusiasts have reason to celebrate as Manthey's renowned upgrade kits for the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and GT2 RS are now available in the United States. These kits, which have been a sensation among European track lovers, are designed to take the already formidable 911s to unprecedented levels of performance. For those unfamiliar, Manthey Racing is a name synonymous with Porsche performance. Their kits have dominated circuits and now, US customers can finally experience the same track supremacy. The first of these kits is for the latest generation 911 GT3 RS, unveiled by Manthey in November of last year. This kit transforms the street-legal beast into an aerodynamic marvel, capable of producing over 2,200 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. Priced at $116,160, it's an investment for those who demand the pinnacle of track performance. Manthey's upgrades for the GT3 RS include a thoroughly updated front fascia with a new splitter, dive planes, and revised gurney flaps on the front wheel arches. Carbon fiber skirts, a massive shark fin, and an enlarged rear wing with DRS functionality further enhance the vehicle's aerodynamics. The rear window is replaced with a lightweight carbon panel, all contributing to a significant weight reduction and improved downforce. The enhanced downforce required Manthey to recalibrate the suspension and revise the spring rates. The addition of acceleration sensors allows the dampers to adjust automatically, providing optimal handling across different speeds. The upgrades also include braided steel brake lines, illuminated door sills, and Manthey's signature decals, ensuring that both aesthetics and performance are top-notch. The GT2 RS kit, while not as extreme as the GT3 RS package, still offers significant enhancements. Priced at $113,140, it includes key aerodynamic changes like a new front spoiler, carbon fiber underbody, modified rear diffuser, and an upgraded wing. The coilovers have been reworked, and the magnesium alloy wheels from the factory Weissach package have been added, providing a perfect blend of form and function. Manthey's modifications ensure these Porsches not only look aggressive but also perform at the highest levels. The GT2 RS package retains the essence of the original car while adding a new dimension of capability, making it an ideal choice for those who want a track-ready machine without compromising daily drivability. Both the GT3 RS and GT2 RS kits are available for order through 45 Porsche centers across the US, with deliveries set to begin this spring. These kits offer a chance for American Porsche owners to experience the engineering excellence that Manthey Racing is known for, pushing their vehicles to new heights of performance. As Porsche continues to set the benchmark in sports car performance, Manthey Racing's kits are a reminder that even perfection can be improved upon. For those ready to dominate the track, the wait is over. Manthey's ultimate upgrades are here.